Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a brand new tile set and use it with a TileMapLayer in Godot. If you're making a 2D game and want to build levels quickly, this is a must-know skill. Let's jump right in. First, open your scene and add a new node. Search for TileMapLayer and add it to your scene tree. Select the TileMapLayer, and in the inspector, you'll see a property called Tileset. Right now, it's empty. That's what we're going to fix. Click the drop-down next to Tileset and choose New Tileset. Now, click on that Tileset resource to open the Tileset editor at the bottom of the screen. In the Tileset editor, click Add Source and choose Atlas Source. Load your Tileset image or sprite sheet. This can be a single tile image or a full sheet with many tiles. A pop-up window will be displayed to ask for Auto-Generate Tile. Click Yes to confirm. You should now see a grid appear over your image. Select the Atlas source you just added. In the inspector, set the tile size, like 16 by 16, 32 by 32, or whatever your art uses. If your image has spacing or margins, set those too. Select your TileMapLayer node again. In the bottom TileMap panel, choose a tile from the palette. Click in the scene view to paint tiles and build your level. And that's it. You've created a brand new tile set and used it with a TileMapLayer in Godot. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Godot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.